Hormones. This is first chapter. Introduction. What are hormones? Hormones are chemical messengers by specialized glands and carried by extracellular fluid such as blood and acts on target organs. These hormones are three classes. Number 1, hormones derived from proteins, example insulin and glucagon. Second, hormones derived from lipids such as testosterone, androgens. Third, hormones derived from glucose and protein such as TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, and beta HCG. What are the functions of hormones? There are four major functions. Number 1, metabolism. Number 2, growth and reproduction. Number 4, adaptation to the new environment. What are the glands that produces hormones? Pituitary gland, which presents in our brain, produces FSH, follicular stimulating hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone, prolactin, ACTH, adrenocortical tropic hormone, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, and growth hormone. Thyroid gland, which presents in our neck, it produces T3 and T4, finally calcitonin. Parathyroid hormone, it produces parathyroid hormone, which plays an important role in calcium and phosphate regulation. Pancreatic hormones. Pancreatic hormones are insulin and glucagon. Both of these hormones are involved in glucose metabolism. Suprarenal cortical hormones, cortisol and aldosterone. These are all hormones which plays an important role in glucose as well as mineral metabolism. Suprarenal medullary hormone, adrenaline and noradrenaline. They are responsible for emergency reactions. Ovarian hormones, progesterone, estrogens. Progesterone plays an important role in uterus development and regulation. Estrogens, there are three types of estrogens which plays an important role in female characteristic development activities. They are number 1, estradiol, estrone and estriol. They are having an important role in fertility activity as well. Next, testosterone. This hormone is produced from testicles, and along with testosterone, androgens plays an important role in secondary male characteristic development activities. These hormones plays important role in biological activities and homeostasis of the metabolic activities.